Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Petite Nails is probably one of the most sought-after beauty trends for those with smaller nail beds, offering a convenient, stylish, and customizable manicure solution without the commitment or cost of salon visits. This video will dive into the top Petite press-on nail options available, comparing factors like application ease, durability, design variety, and overall value to help you find the perfect fit for your nails. Number 5. Kiss Impress Petite Secrets. Get ready for salon-quality nails in minutes, without the salon price. These press-on nails are easy to apply and comfortable to wear, perfect for busy lifestyles. It's true. They use a super hold adhesive, so no glue or drying time is required. Just press on and go. These nails are chip-proof, smudge-proof, and waterproof, ensuring a flawless manicure that lasts. They stay put until you're ready to remove them. With everything you need included, nails, prep pad, file, and stick, application is a breeze. No experience needed for a perfect manicure. From classic to trendy, there's a design for everyone. Explore a variety of colors, shapes, lengths, and finishes to express your unique style. For decades, Kiss has been a leader in beauty, providing high-quality products that empower you to create stunning looks at home. Experience the difference. What we like. This product is the world's best-selling press-on nail. It's incredibly easy to apply, taking only minutes, and the super hold adhesive ensures it stays put. If you're looking for a quick, convenient, and long-lasting manicure, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great color. Thick. Beautiful. Adheres so strongly. Durable. These nails are easy to apply and they have improved, they now stay on better. Love Impress press-on nails. I was very skeptical of the longevity of no-glue nails, but I am so happy with them. It has been almost a week and they are still firmly on. They were easy to apply and I was able to trim and file them to the length I desired. Number 4. Kiss Impress Petite Secrets. Get ready for salon-quality nails in minutes, without the salon price. These press-on nails are easy to apply and comfortable to wear, perfect for busy lifestyles. It's true. They use a super hold adhesive, so no glue or drying time is needed. Just press on and go. These nails are chip-proof, smudge-proof, and waterproof, so you can enjoy your manicure for days. They're also easy to remove without damaging your natural nails. Each set comes with everything you need for a perfect manicure: 30 nails, a prep pad, a mini file, and a manicure stick. It's a complete DIY nail kit. With a wide variety of colors, shapes, and designs, you'll always find the perfect look to match your style. Express yourself with our trendy nail art. For decades, Kiss has been a leader in beauty, providing high-quality products that empower you to create stunning looks from the comfort of your own home. Try them today. What we like. This is another fantastic no-glue option that's just as easy to apply as the first one. It also boasts a revolutionary adhesive for an incredibly strong and long-lasting hold. If you value convenience and a flawless finish that lasts, this is a great option. What people say. Great color. Thick. Beautiful. Adheres so strongly. Durable. These nails are easy to apply and they have improved, they now stay on better. Love Impress press-on nails. I was very skeptical of the longevity of no-glue nails, but I am so happy with them. It has been almost a week and they are still firmly on. They were easy to apply and I was able to trim and file them to the length I desired. I have moved furniture, done dishes, taken baths, and type all day at work with no issues. Number 3. Kiss Impress Mini. Get ready for a fun and easy manicure with the new Kiss Impress Mini nails. They're perfect for kids and beginners, offering a mess-free and safe way to create beautiful nail art. These press-on nails are super simple to apply, no glue is required. Just press them on and you're ready to go. It's designed with your safety in mind. They're gentle on natural nails and easy to remove without causing any damage. Removing them is a breeze. Say goodbye to messy cleanup and hello to easy removal. Enjoy a chip-free, smudge-free manicure that lasts. No more waiting for nails to dry. We care about the planet. It comes in an eco-friendly package, printed with soy ink. This French pop set is the perfect way to add a touch of fun and style to your look. It's easy to apply and looks amazing. What we like. This set is specifically designed for kids, making it safe and easy to use. The mess-free removal is a huge plus for parents. If you're looking for a fun and safe nail experience for your child, this is it. What people say. They fit great and were tiny and cute. These are perfect size for my 7-year-old. They stick well also. These little nails were actually really good quality. They went on easily and stayed on. Number 2. Kiss Everlasting Kit. Get ready for gorgeous, lasting French manicures at home. This kit makes achieving salon-quality nails quick and easy. These glue-on nails are designed for a perfect fit and effortless application. It only takes minutes to get a flawless look. Enjoy chip-free wear for up to a week. They're waterproof and smudge-proof, keeping your manicure looking perfect. The FlexiFit technology ensures comfortable wear all day long. It adapts to your nails for a natural feel. The kit includes 28 nails, pink nail glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick, everything you need for a complete manicure. Kiss offers a wide variety of nail designs, colors, and lengths to match your style. Find your perfect look. As a global leader in beauty, Kiss empowers you to create stunning manicures without leaving your house. Experience salon quality at home. What we like. Achieve a perfect French manicure in minutes with this kit. The FlexiFit technology ensures comfortable wear, and it's chip-free for up to a week. If you love a classic French manicure and want it to last, this is your best bet. What people say. They do not feel any different than wearing either of those salon options, in my opinion. I have small fingers and very small nail beds. I bought these in petite and they're perfect. Fit perfectly with no trimming or filing needed. Look like salon pink and whites, and I was able to apply them in about 10 to 15 minutes at my bathroom counter, no pricey salon visit required. Once nail beds are prepared, they take less than 45 seconds each to glue, hold in place, and be all done. These nails in the real short or petite length are the best. I love how natural they look and are easy to put on with nail glue. The short length makes doing everyday tasks easy. I put the glue on my nail bed, then on the nail and place it. They last about a week or so. I have trimmed them after a week because I prefer a short nail but a polished look. I do get compliments on them, even from my adult daughters who thought I went to a salon to have my nails done. Number 1. Kiss Crush Hour Nails. Get salon-quality acrylic nails in minutes, not hours. These stunning French tips are easy to apply and last up to a week. They're chip-free, bubble-free, and super durable thanks to our acrylic-infused technology. Experience the difference of a professional-looking manicure at home. These nails offer a snug, comfortable fit. The thinner cuticle area provides a seamless, natural look that lasts. With a waterproof, smudge-free finish, they stay perfect for days. The kit includes everything you need for a flawless manicure. Kiss offers a wide variety of styles and designs to match your personal style. Save time and money by creating stunning nails at home. As a global leader in beauty, Kiss empowers you to achieve professional results. Experience the confidence of salon-perfect nails, anytime, anywhere. What we like. Get salon-quality acrylic nails at home with this kit. The acrylic-infused technology makes them incredibly durable and long-lasting. If you want the look and feel of professional acrylics without the salon price tag, this is for you. What people say. They stick very well with the glue and last a good amount of time. Able to wash hands multiple times, dishes, etc., and they are still holding up. The length is perfect, being that I work at a computer and type all day. I could still type and do things at home or anywhere without an issue. They feel like quality nails, are small and natural looking, and last a while, at least 2 weeks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.